Hello friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video guys, I will be showing you another website or an application that you can be able to use to earn some money online. Guys, in this video today, I will be showing you a step-by-step trick which you can be able to earn some dollars online. So guys, here without wasting much time, please, for better understanding, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to get some dollars every day online. So guys, here the first thing I'm going to be doing, here you have to open your browser. You can be able to use any of this browser, either Google Chrome or Firefox. You can be able to use any of this browser. So for the sake of this video, I will be using this Firefox browser today. So guys, I have a link which I will be dropping on the description for easy access. So we have to open this link like this. So guys, as you can see, but guys, please, before we continue or before I show you how to use this application, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. So guys, as you can see, this is the interface of this particular website. This website is legit and it is currently paying, so I suggest that you join this website. It is free unless if you want to invest. So with your free plan, you can be able to earn at least $4. With your free plan, you can be able to earn at least $4 to your account directly. So guys, what you're going to be doing here, you just have to insert your username and then you insert your number. Don't forget we have the country code. Then after then, here you have to click on this get a verification code. Guys, once you click on this get verification code, it's going to take you directly to your to WhatsApp. For instance, here I will use this particular username. For instance, for the sake of this video, I will use this particular username, and here I will insert this number just to show you how to get the verification code, because this verification code will not be sent as text. So I will be showing you how you can be able to get that. So once you insert your number like this, what you're going to be doing is here you have to click on this get verification. And guys, after you click on this get verification, it's going to take you directly to a WhatsApp. It's going to take you directly to a WhatsApp. Sorry, my WhatsApp is not linked to this particular browser, but it's going to take you to this to a WhatsApp user, which he will send you the code. So I've already done that. I've already done my own, so I will be showing you a typical example. Guys, as you can see here, we have this user there. It's going to take you directly to this particular site, and these people will send you the verification code. They will send you a verification code. I've already received my own verification code, guys. I've already received my own verification code. So it's going to just take you to a user, and you just have to send hi and they will send you the verification code. And guys, after they send you the verification code, you just have to copy the verification code. You just have to copy the verification code. For instance, this is the verification code they sent to me on my other account that I created. So you have to go back to your browser. You have to go back to your browser like this, and then you have to paste the verification code. Let's go back to the mining side. You just have to paste the verification code. For instance, you paste it here like this, and then you have to create your password, and then you can confirm the password. So don't forget, you have to use this code. Don't forget, you have to use this code, because if you do not use this code, in terms of withdrawal, you have a big problem whenever you want to withdraw. So you make sure that you use this code, please. And after then, it's going to take you directly to a site. It's going to open, and here guys, as you can see, this is my own account. So once it open like this, once your account open like this, it's going to be showing you like this. So what you're going to be doing here, you have to click on this icon here, on this box. You have to click on this box here. Let me show you again. You have to click on this box here like this. So you click on it like this, and guys, as you can see, I've already redeemed mine. So you can be able to redeem just once in a lifetime. You can only redeem once in a lifetime. So you click on this buy discount like this. Guys, as you can see, only one unit can be push. So guys, I've already done mine. So what you're going to be doing, you have to click on this icon to go back, and I will be showing you next on what to do. So guys, after you have done all that, here you have to click on this icon here. You have to click on this my here you have to click on this mine, that's your profile. You have to click on your profile like this. So guys, you click on it like this, so it's going to be coming up like this, and here you can be able to see some of the guys. As you can see, this is my earning. So we click on this teams. Guys, as you can see, these are my teams. Here you can be able to see all your referrals, which I will be showing you how to get your referrals. So you click on market also. So guys, as you can see, these are some of the markets. So let's click on the home. And guys, after then, what you're going to be doing next, you have to click on this miner house. It's very, very important. You click on this miner house. So here you have to click on this activated. You have to click on this activated. So guys, as you can see, mine is already activated. So you have to check this particular site which says suspend. You have to click on this side. So you have to, yours will show you activate. So you have to click on this activate, then it will be activated. I've already activated mine, that is why it's showing suspension. So you have to click on this activate. After then you are done, then you have to leave it, and here you can be able to see how your account is going. You can be able to see how your account is going. And in order to see how much you are earning again, you can also click on this my icon here down below by your right hand side. Then guys, as you can see, this is my current balance, and this is my USDT. And then I know you must be asking yourself, how much is the minimum withdrawal? The minimum withdrawal on this particular site is just $4. I've already withdrawn. The minimum withdrawal is just $4 on a free account. That is the minimum withdrawal. So guys, this is how you can be able to use this application. And if you want to deposit, you can be able to deposit in order to earn more. And also you can also withdraw. In order to withdraw, you click on this withdraw, and then you have to insert your the amount. And guys, as you can see, the minimum withdrawal, just like I have said earlier, is $4, which is in Nigerian currency is equivalent to 2,920. So guys, this is how you can be able to withdraw. And how do you get your referral link? In order to get your referral link, here you have to click on this share like this in order to get your referral link. So guys, this is how you can be able to get, and you can copy and share with your friends. And guys, not only that, this website has an application, and in order to get an application on this website, the website application, please, I request you once again that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. So guys, you click on this icon here, and here you have to insert AI mining app. I've already installed this application, so you just have to, after you must have created your account on the website, here you have to open this AI mining app. Then you can be able to log in to be able to get all the features, or for easy access on the site or on the app, to be able to get easy access. So guys, this is how you can be able to use this particular application or the website, or the way you can be able to earn money. Please, if you found any if you experience any problem, please, we are ever ready. You can just comment on the comment box, we will reply to you. So guys, just like I have said, if you finish creating your account on the website, you can just come and log in here and insert your password, and that is all. You can start mining. On my next video, I will be showing you how you can get at least $5 every day, which we have tested and we have already withdrawn. I will be showing you a withdrawal proof on that particular site too. So please, what you're gonna be doing, just have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.